Welcome everybody to Travel About, and welcome to Brandenburg Farms. We're in Illinois, way out in the country, and we have stopped at a Harvest Host site for the night. This is Rosie. She's got a craft section inside. We purchased some stuff from her. They have 2,000 acres out here and around. They farm hay. Hay is one of their big markets. They do hay, soybean, and something I can't remember, but hay and soybean are the big ones. It's absolutely beautiful out here. We found her on Boondockers Welcome / Harvest Host. This is their little area. They've got room here for 3 RVs. And she's been doing this about a year. And it's really cool out here. There's a little bit of farm equipment noise over there. They're putting some big old equipment away. And so we are here. This is a Harvest Host site. Boondockers Welcome, same thing nowadays. And why did we buy this anyway? Why did we buy Harvest Host Boondockers Welcome? We already have 1,000 trails. We already have RPI. But we've been going a lot of places here lately that there is no 1,000 trails and there is no RPI. So we went ahead and picked up Boondockers Welcome / Harvest Host. Harvest Host is now the site you have to go to get Boondockers Welcome. It's very inexpensive. I'm going to leave a link for you in the description, and maybe right about there as well. And it's just my affiliate link for Harvest Host. Don't worry, I'm not getting like $1 zillion or anything. I just get I don't know what I get. I get recognition, I think. I don't think I really get anything. And anyway, so why did we buy it? Well, we're going to be doing some serious boondocking with this big old Valor here. We just had a generator put in yesterday. We've got 1,000 watts of solar on the roof, 3 big old lithium iron batteries, and we're set up for boondocking, and we're going to go do it. And that means going to places that don't have 1,000 trails, that don't have RPI. For example, South Dakota. There is a nice place there in Rapid City, but once you leave Rapid City and go into the hills, the Black Hills, and there's this beautiful background behind me. Look at that. Such a nice day. Sun's about to go down. Once you get up into Black Hills and stuff like that, it's straight boondocking. And along the way, you can find Harvest Host and Boondockers Welcome sites. Their app is so easy to use on your phone. Their website app is almost the same. Just search a region, search a town, search whatever you want to search, and boom, they all just pop up. It's very inexpensive, guys. It's very inexpensive. You can stay here for free. And she let me hook up to her 50 amp, believe it or not. We did buy some stuff from her craft shop because we wanted some stuff anyway. And we'll probably try to offer her something for the electric tomorrow morning before we leave. That's the courteous thing to do. And so, you know, instead of paying $40, $50 for a campground, paying $10 if I give her something for gas, or for electric, I mean. So anyway, that's why we bought it, and that's why you should buy it, because I want you to do some math real fast for me. Let's figure an average of $40 a night at an RV park, and let's say you use Harvest Host 10 times. It's $400. It cost you $140 to buy Harvest Host with Boondockers Welcome package together. About $140. You can probably find a sale. There you go. Boom. You don't need any more math. You've just saved what, $300 some odd dollars. That's it, guys. It's simple. There are thousands and thousands. And not only that, if you're a golfer, or just don't care if you're on a golf course, you can pay a little more and get the golf course package. Now you've just added like another, I don't know how many, 700,000, 800,000 sites you can go to. So you can stay at breweries, you can stay at wineries, you can stay right here at Rosie's, at her house in the farm. You can stay at museums, you can stay at some military bases. It's all free. Now some people may put a restriction where if you're going to take 50 amp, they might request $10, $5. So, you know, just read the description of wherever you plan on staying. Please sign up, guys. If you're a full-timer, and maybe you've heard of it, maybe you've thought about it, what are you waiting for? Why wouldn't you do it? It's crazy not to. You know, get the full gamut. If you're out enjoying life in your RV, do it all. 1,000 trails, or whatever you got. That's what we got. RPI, love RPI, by the way. Oh my gosh. RPI, you have to buy 1,000 trails or something else to get RPI. You can't buy RPI by itself. Anyway, check the description. I am not an affiliate of 1,000 Trails. I don't think you can be one. I'm not an affiliate of anybody, except I will give you a link to the Harvest Host guys. And that's it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go inside. We just bought a pizza right here in this little town. I'm going to go eat me some pizza for dinner, and I'm going to show you this beautiful scenery one more time. You don't want to see me anymore. You want to see what's out here. This is Rosie's driveway. Our truck, our RV. Bring the kiddies. You got a nice playground here. Got a picnic table for you. Over there, you don't want to be over there. You can park your RV. They got one more site right over there. But that's where their farm equipment is. It's part of their farmland out here. Nice little shed. And Rosie's got a nice little setup in there for crafts. She does quite a bit of crafting. And there's some things you can pick up if you're interested. She's certainly no salesperson. She's not pushing anything on anybody. If you want it, you want it. If you don't, you don't. Anyway, that's it, y'all. I highly recommend it. And maybe I'll see y'all on the road somewhere.